Today, we're going to add a 3 slices transition to your video. This effect is a great way to split your clips into 3 segments and seamlessly transition from one clip to the next. Here's how it works. First, make sure you have 2 or more clips stacked next to each other on your timeline so that you have something to transition between. Next, head over to the Transitions tab on the left side of your screen, scroll down, and find the third transition under the Vibes section. This transition splits your clip into 3 parts and creates a clean, sharp movement as it changes scenes. Drag this transition and drop it directly between your 2 clips on the timeline. You'll immediately see the effect applied. To adjust the transitions timing, simply click on it, then go to the Transitions tab on the right side of the screen. Here you can adjust the duration slider to control how fast or slow the transition happens. A shorter duration makes the transition quick and snappy, while a longer duration creates a more dramatic effect. And that's it. You've successfully added the 3 slices transition to your video. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Clipchamp tips and tricks.